Hey, WTI. If you are looking for the perfect gift for that whiskey lover in your life, maybe it's you, then definitely check out this decanter by FineDine. I love this so much. It's European style glass decanter, and I just think that it looks so incredibly elegant. I love the style of it, and I have to say that it came in a really beautiful box. So if you are giving this as a gift, know that it has that attention to detail. It comes in a fantastic gift box that I think is really going to impress whoever you're giving this to. You can tell right away that it is really wonderfully made. It's 30 ounces. And so we put in this a bottle of whiskey that we had just recently opened, so there wasn't much missing from it. And as you can see, it has plenty of room to fit that. So it definitely can fit the 750 bottle if you're looking to store that in it. This is just the perfect complement to anyone's home bar. It instantly adds so much class and sophistication. If you have company over and you want to share some whiskey with them, how gorgeous is this? You are going to instantly impress your company. Of course, it's so easy to use. It just has that top that's resting nice and gently, so you're able to easily pour and easily refill it as needed. I'm very impressed with the quality of FineDine and just their attention to detail and how gorgeous this decanter is. It has really added so much elegance to our home bar, and I think it will do the same for you or whoever you are gifting this to. But that's just my point of view.